How's everyone doing? Welcome to the final episode of After the After Hours with your boy TraderPrad. The final day of this week is tomorrow going to be a free fall Friday. Now get ready for tomorrow. Powell going on the microphone. Powell going on the microphone again. Get ready for tomorrow. So I do have a watch list ready, but if you guys are ready, hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the love. Thank you guys for all the support. This is your boy TraderPrad. TraderPrad. But if you guys are ready for this show to get started, why don't we dive into the full screen and hit that like and subscribe. Yo, what's up, chat? How's everyone doing? Let me turn the music down a little bit. Let me make sure the mics are working. Everything's good to go. How's everyone doing? Welcome to another episode, the final episode of this very short week that we had because of the long weekend. But, let's end the week, end the month, everything on a nice note with a bang. Nice little bang to the market, nice little bang to our P&L. Hopefully not a bang to the downside, but a bang to the upside, to both sides over there. So let's talk about what happened today on the market. I mean, there were tons of opportunities, but if you were not quick at it, those opportunities kind of ran away from you. You had to fight for it a little bit, but boy, oh boy, opportunities were there nevertheless. Some stocks later on in the day started moving around quite a bit. We're going to talk about that stock later on in the stream. Prepare for that one a little bit. What's special about tomorrow? Tomorrow being the end of the month lying on a Friday, which obviously has options expiry. Along with that, we also have the Morgan Stanley, the world's largest index, rebalance coming into play tomorrow. So they're going to be moving around some of the stocks because of their weightages and their need for portfolio management and so on. So they're going to be moving around some positions, so that's going to be fun to see how they decide to do that. So we're going to be watching a bunch of positions throughout the day. We have a bunch of stocks reporting earnings like Costco, Dell, Zscaler. Dell is actually a little special for tomorrow because not too long ago someone came out with a report saying, hey, these are a few companies that you can keep an eye on for the AI traction in case you missed the Nvidia boat, and Dell was in that basket. So Dell kind of caught some traction off of that, and now with its earnings report today after hours, which we'll dive into, we're looking to see if that took the stock even higher or lower. So that one's interesting. A couple other stocks such as Mongo MongoDB, Ulta Beauty, Marvell, which is a semiconductor company, all of which we're going to take a look at later on throughout the show today. And we're also going to be walking through some of the stocks that we talked about last night, such as CRM, AI, HPQ, basically the earnings basket, to see how they moved. Did our predictions come true? How did we trade on the day? And what setups can show up tomorrow for us to take advantage of? So that's basically in store today. But you guys know that before, ow, I just bit my tongue. Ow, that hurt. As you guys know, I like to say hello to my wonderful viewers, so let me just take a look at my second screen over here. So far, we only got people talking in the YouTube chat. If you're in the Twitter or on the Twitch spaces with me, say hello in the chat. Don't be shy. Don't be just a lurker. Say hi. TH, Dieter, Victoria, how you guys doing? Hopefully, you guys all had a wonderful Thursday. Killed it on the market day. Dieter saying he had a huge day for him. He made a total of $1.01. Now, Dieter, I know you're just having fun and jokes, but profit's profit, my friend. Profits are profit. So congratulations on a green day. Big day for Dieter over there. Congratulations on a green day, Dieter. I'm guessing you were red and you came back to green, or did you go from extremely green to barely green? How did it happen? We need to know the whole story here. If you came from red to green, that's really good. That's really good, right? Amazing comeback. Good job. TH, this is the last show of the week. This market is showing signs of serious deterioration, says TH. That is true. That is true. It is showing quite a bit of deterioration. Nvidia looking like it wants to pull back. We actually have not a study, but I guess you can call it a study. It's basically a tweet. We have a tweet that we're going to go analyze a little bit to see how they're predicting for Nvidia. They're actually predicting Nvidia to go down a little bit. So we'll see if their prediction comes out true. We're going to look at that paper. Why do I keep calling it? We're going to look at that tweet in a bit when we get to Nvidia. But why don't we start with everything that's in store by heading over to the full screen. Turning off the transition. And Dieter saying 76.15 minus 75.14. What does that even mean, Dieter? Starting with a good trade on AI, then a lot of small trades that gave it all back. I understand. I've been there many times. I've been there many times. This week alone. I've been there so many times. So I understand that very well. All right. The earnings board. Let's bring in the earnings board. Shout out to Earnings Whispers. No affiliation, not a sponsor either. But shout out to Earnings Whisper because they help us out with the earnings calendar every week. Earnings calendar today, or today after hours and tomorrow pre-market. Nothing really in the pre-market basket area. So mainly the after hours basket. We got Costco, Dell, Zscaler, Marvell, MongoDB, Ulta Beauty, Sentinel, One. And then we are obviously going to continue to take a look at some of the stocks that reported throughout this week, such as Chewy, ANF, Kava, DKS, AI, CRM, HPQ, Pure Storage, Foot Locker, Dollar General, Best Buy, Burlington, Birkenstock, you name it. We basically have the whole shebang on our watch list. At the top of that watch list, as you guys just saw not too long ago, Costco, which on Walmart's earnings day actually took that $800 area and started making a new all-time high. But now, let's see how Costco reacted on their own report. Ooh, a little bit of sell-off. Looks like Costco had a buy the rumors, sell the news event, because once the report came out, they actually flushed it to the downside. At a quick glance over here, we're gonna have to pull up Benzinga for the earnings report. So while it pulls up on my other screen, we're gonna talk about their report using TradingView. TradingView shows us that they did beat EPS by 2%, and they slightly beat revenue by about 0.8%. But you know how we need to get the full story, not just the half story of the current report. We need to see how did they report on all aspects. So here we go. What happened to the report? We do know that they beat, but they are growing or not? And the answer is they are growing by 9.1% year to year. Net sales, which didn't include membership fees, came in about 9.1% up year to year. The company said net sales were previously impacted by 0.5 to 1% due to a shift in the fiscal calendar. Costco reported earnings per share of set. Okay, we kind of saw that number already. Comparable same-store sales in third quarter for USA was up 6.2, Canada up 7.7, international up 7.7, whole company up 6.6%, e-commerce up 20.7%, growing across the board. The company said it currently operates 878 warehouses globally, with 605 of them in the United States and Puerto Rico as its largest market. What's next for the company? I want to see the outlook. Don't see the outlook anywhere. Analysts and investors will likely be tuning into the guidance report, which will be the conference call, which already happened at 5 p.m. But we don't see what the outlook is at the moment, sadly. Yeah, don't see any outlook. No membership fee increase announced either. So they're going to continue keeping the membership fee exactly as it is. Maybe that's why the market didn't like it and flushed it down. Overall, look, they grew across the board. They grew on every single number that you would like them to grow on. They didn't decrease in any aspect at all. And on Walmart's earnings report, you broke to all-time high, and your own earnings report, you're going to flush down. However, this flush is not too significant. You can see how we flush under 800, but then pick back up above 800 right away and close above 800 in the after hours. So I'm expecting, Costco to have some sort of a spike up tomorrow. This move looks a little fugazi to me. This move, for those of you who remember what happened with Kava, could very well be a Kava type move tomorrow. You can see how Kava moved to the downside, and the pre-market looked like it was going to flush, moves into the after hour low, and then rips into an all-time high. Today goes even higher. I actually got long on Kava today, right into this area right here, and I rode it up pretty well to the upside. I think I rode it all the way to the upside, which was amazing. And then did I flip short? No, I don't think I flipped short. Overall, this after hour move is exactly what comes into memory for me. And if you look at where Kava was before its earnings report, it was also at its all-time high. So Costco, for that very same reason, looks very similar of a setup. You can even call it that Pan W type move over here, possibility coming into play. But Pan W is a whole different story. This is way more relative to related to Kava, honestly. So you're looking to see if that 800 to all the way down to this after hour low of 789 area comes into support. So S1 800. My caps lock on? It is. S1 800, S2 788. I'm going to say 788. It could even go to 785. Tickle 785 and bounce from that all the way up into 825. I will not be surprised by that. Today's VWAP coming in around at $815.50. So I'll be expecting our first resistance over there, 815.50. Second resistance. Hello? Why can't I? My keyboard messed. What's wrong with my keyboard right now? Test. Okay, it does work. R1, enter. Okay, it does work. It won't let me go to a new line, chat. What in the hell is going on with this box? R1, 815.50. So stupid. Holy smokes, dude. R2, I'm just gonna have to do it this way. It sucks. R2, 825. Oh, maybe I can just do spaces and it will push me there. Oh my goodness, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. All right, Costco at the high of the priority list tomorrow. Highest of the priority list. Watching how Costco reacts. So far, the earnings reports, muy bien. Is that how you say it? Muy bien. So based off that report, not liking what we see on the move on the after hours, but waiting to see if we can get a reversal for us to join on Costco. Keep in mind though, it's an $800 position, but Costco usually has decent liquidity, so you should be able to trade it. I just hope it doesn't have shitty spread. That will be very upsetting. Next stock, Dell. Let's see how. I think Costco might even announce a stock split, because a lot of companies have done it. Walmart has done it, Nvidia is doing it, Google, not Microsoft, Google. Who else did it? Amazon did it. I have a feeling that Costco might just announce a stock split. Anyways, Dell at an all-time high, which was crazy to me to even find that out today. I remember trading Dell around $40. All of a sudden, it's at 170, which I had no clue about. I haven't been watching Dell for quite some time now. I think this is where I remember like $70, $40 area. Obviously, the AI hype and everything behind it, blasting Dell off to monumental new heights that it's never been into. But now, with the earnings report, as you guys saw just now, we got flushed off that report to the downside, so not looking good. At a quick glance on TradingView, looks like they actually beat EPS and revenue. Let me just go check really. Yeah, they did beat EPS and revenue, but overall flushed to the downside for Dell Technologies. So let's go find out why. Dell reported a 6% increase year over year in revenue. Okay, solutions group revenue total to whatever that number is, up 22% year over year. Client solutions revenue came in at 12 billion, flat year over year. At least they're not losing. The company reported, but flat over year is not growing. So they're not losing, but they're not growing, right? The company reported adjusted earnings of $1.27 compared to $1.26. Dell noted that it returned a $1.1 billion share back through to shareholders through share repurchase and dividends in the first quarter. The company ended the quarter with $7.3 billion in cash and investments. No company is better positioned than Dell to bring AI to the enterprise, said the CEO. Is that the CEO? No, he's not the CEO. Vice Chairman and COO of Dell. Servers and networking hit record revenue in Q1 with our AI optimized servers orders increasing sequentially to $2.6 billion. Shipments up more than 100% to $1.7 billion, and backlog growing more than 30% to $3.8 billion. Dell did not provide forward guidance in its earnings. Now that could be something that hurt Dell. However, the numbers are looking good, growing year to year on the revenue side, growing on their not their client side, but their infrastructure side. There is demand in their server side also, and networking and IT side with the AI implementation. Not giving a guidance is not good, but we've seen a lot of companies come out and basically say, yeah, we're not going to give guidance anymore. Apple being a big culprit of that one, right? So not giving a guidance is not good, but I'm not seeing anything in that report that requires this big of a flush to the downside. I mean, from 170 to 130, that's quite a bit of a sell-off for a stock who's in one of the hottest sector and booming sector. So I think that sell-off was way too much. I think we see a bounce off of these areas tomorrow. Looking to see how Dell Technologies reacts to some of these levels, as we are currently pushed into that area. As you guys can see right there, finding some support right off that 136 area, but I think we could easily push down to 131, 130 tomorrow to go test some supports over there and then give us an opportunity to get long. So I'm just going to put in 136 as S1, S2 as 130, R1 as the earnings anchored VWAP, which is currently at 146.50, and R2 as this little peak high in the after hours that we saw, which could act as a resistance if we do climb all the way back up into $157.19. I'm just going to round it down to 157. I'm not going to play too much games with that one. So 157 coming in right around this area in the daily chart. I was going to put a line right there too, surprisingly enough, but that one's a little bit lower than where the actual high in the after hours came in on Dell Technologies. So the report obviously not being Where did I type it? The report obviously not being appreciated by the market. The growth on one side was flat, which was the customer side. So probably, you know, mice, laptops. They're not growing on that aspect, but they're growing on the business aspect, on the business to business aspect, and but not on the business to consumer aspect. It looks like, which makes sense to me. You know, a lot of people have chosen to go for the Apple laptops a lot more recently, maybe even the Chromebooks these days compared to Dell laptops and so on. I could see Dell thriving, however, still in the Alienware sector. I'm surprised that they didn't quote any numbers from Alienware's department, because they do own Alienware. At least if I remember correctly, they own Alienware. Yeah, so owned by Dell Canada, or Dell in general. So I'm surprised that they didn't mention any numbers from these guys. Will be fun to see how Alienware is growing or not growing, being the gamer I am. I mean, if you guys recognize what monitor this is, how can I? Can you see the logo there? Oh, maybe I can do this. Oh, there you go. On the top right corner right there, you can see a little alien that's glowing up in oh, did I just move my camera? Hopefully not. That's glowing up in different RGB colors, and that is the Alienware monitor. I love this monitor very much. It's one of my prized positions in my life over here is this monitor. You know, it's a amazing gaming monitor, and being a gamer myself, I would love to see how Alienware is helping Dell or not helping Dell overall, but we don't get to see that numbers at the moment. The next stock that we're gonna go over and look to see how they reported, Zscaler. Zscaler getting a nice bump in the after hours over here, moving to the north side. Let's actually zoom out to the daily chart, because I don't know what the daily chart looks like on Zscaler. I mean, it looks like we have a little bit of a wall here on this position into $181. Above that, we have maybe a little bit of trouble right into this area where we kind of double bottomed and then broke under, and you can see how this double bottom started to turn into a resistance area. So that's around 202, let's just say $200. So if we are able to get above 181, 180 area, which we are exactly in, I mean, come on. Where is this? Wait, I'm not even showing the screen. Let's show the screen. We are exactly into that 181 line that I just drew. Prastadamus coming into coming into fruition one more time for you. Yes, Dieter, I know. I realize that I'm not even showing the screen. Police, those lights don't work anymore. Those commands sadly don't work. This integration crashed on me, and I keep trying to fix it, but it doesn't fucking work. Hopefully it works today. Let's see. Try it now. It says it's connected. Try it now. Yeah, I don't think it's working. I should be able to control it through here. I can't control it through here. It's brokey. It's brokey. I gotta work on it. I gotta work on that integration. I keep trying. It doesn't fucking want to work for me. Piece of shit software. Probably because the IP address of that computer or that software keeps changing, and when that changes, it messes with everything, right? When the IP address changes, it messes with everything, as you guys probably know. All right, Zscaler getting a nice bump up to the north side. That 182 area that we were just mapping out, clearly showing you a little bit of resistance. So R1, 182, and then R2 above that, right into 200. It's actually 202.50. So I'm going to put in that 202.50. I'm going to say 200 to 202.50 area to keep on watch for some sort of a resistance to come into play, possible shorts. And if we are able to hold longs above 182, above 181, I think we got got some opportunities to look for a move towards 200 on Zscaler. As for the dip buy, I don't want to see the stock going under 177, which is where the earnings anchored VWAP is. If we're not able to find buyers above 177, 175, then I am worried as to why the stock even made this bump up to the north side. It will possibly gap close and then give you some sort of a buying opportunity, but at that point you're just getting something like this, right? And this is gonna happen way later in the day, so I don't want that. I want to see this, and I want to see something like that. Well, that looks a little crazy. Maybe I want to see something like this and then like that, right? Which at this point you're closing your position around 4 o'clock at the highs. But if the stock does this, it's still tradable, but this is where you're trading, right? That is where you're looking to get long, or you're looking to get long on the reclaim of VWAP or something like that. So Zscaler, looking to see how this one reacts tomorrow in the pre-market. At the moment, we have our levels mapped out. Dell, Zscaler, awesome. Next one, Marvell, doing a nothing burger move. I mean, you could call this a kava move too, but for that we would need to take a look at the earnings report, take a look at Benzinga. We have, if you guys remember previously, how the company was blasting off to all-time highs with the whole semiconductor sector, with Nvidia, with the SMCI and everything, but their earnings report coming in showing you that they're actually not growing at the scale that everyone thought they would be, and they got absolutely smoked on that day, and they continue to keep getting smoked until they moved back into the support area. Now moving back into a little bit of resistance area, and the earnings report once again not helping out this position. So technically you don't want to see this type of flush on a semiconductor position. Anytime a semiconductor position reports, you just want to see it blast off, because that shows you that the company is growing, it's got demand, and the market loves that report. This is not anything close to that. So a little bit of a sad move over here on Marvell. Lower priority stock for me tomorrow. Honestly, don't even care about it that much, if I'm being honest with you. Moving on to MongoDB, a stock that has always given me wonderful trades on earnings days. So we're waiting to see how this stock reacts. You can see how this bottom was respected for quite some time. It was a 2023 low. We respected that again recently in April 2024. We respected that again recently yesterday, but today, sadly, however, right before the earnings report in the after hours, the stock manages to break that low. It's almost like somebody knew something, right? Almost like somebody knew something and they started selling off before the main sell-off happens, and you see the stock now getting well under $300. So MongoDB flushing, closing the gap even. I guess you could say it did more than close the gap, because we're at 220, 230. Yeah, it did way more than close the gap. It fucking got destroyed. We're down here. So at this point, really, you're watching how this after hour low, you're watching how a 200 area comes into play on MongoDB for any sort of a flush to the downside. Do those areas get respected or not? Before we go further, we're gonna have to look at MongoDB's earnings report, because that one we actually are interested to see how they reported. So bring in Benzinga. Ding 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 ding. Benzinga, help us out. MongoDB reported 51 cents per share, which beat estimates of 40 cents per share by 27.5%. Quarterly sales coming in at 450.56 million, beating the analyst estimates of 439.64 million by 2.48%, representing a 22.34 increase over sales of 368.28 million from the same period last year, meaning they're growing 22.34% year to year. Subscription revenue coming in at around 436.9 million, an increase of 23% year over year. Services revenue coming in around 13.7 million, an increase of 1% year over year. And non-GAAP profits coming in at 337.8 million, representing a 75% gross margin compared to 76% same period last year. So slight decrease over there. MongoDB delivered solid first quarter quarter results highlighting a 32% Atlas revenue growth. At the same time, we had the slower than expected start for the year for both Atlas consumption growth and new workload wins, which will have a downstream impact for the remainder of the fiscal 2025. Now that does not sound good. MongoDB sees second quarter earnings of between 46 and 49 cents per share versus estimates of 58. So I guess they're kind of pricing that in, that downfall, that downstream impact coming into play. Quarterly revenue in the range of 460 to 464 compared to estimates of 470. So lower again. Full year coming in at 215, 2.15 to 2.30 versus 2.5, lower on the full year. And revenue coming in at 1.8 to 1.9 versus estimates of 1.93, also missing on that side. As we look ahead, we continue to be incredibly excited by our large market opportunity, the potential to increase share and become a standard within more of our customers. We also see a tremendous opportunity to win more legacy workloads as AI has now become a catalyst to modernize these applications. So MongoDB, a database company, I guess, is late to their AI adaptation, and that's why they're struggling here. Those numbers are quite a bit of a miss for the next quarter, for the full year. They're saying that their Atlas revenue grew, but at the same time, the slower than expected start to the year for both Atlas consumption growth and the new workload, so they kind of started slower, is hurting them, and that's gonna, cause more issues because a lot of other companies probably switched away from MongoDB to other database providers who probably had AI capabilities better than MongoDB and faster than MongoDB. So that probably hurt them quite a bit over there. But however, they learned from their mistakes. They're hopefully, right? They learned from their mistakes and they're trying to catch up. They're playing catch up, and we'll see how they do so. And that's why you're seeing the stock plummeting over here to the downside. Makes sense. This flush makes a lot of sense, right? That guidance is quite a bit of a lower, but if you calculate in percentage terms how much they guided lower to how much the stock fell, I think this is enough of a move to the downside, right? Obviously, this is just me doing my voodoo math in my head and not actually computing a real number out there. But if you do the math, the percentage of the stock went down compared to how they're growing, but how the forecast is not so bright. I think everything over here for this move down is justified, but I am looking for a long off of the 200 area. I don't think we see lower than 200 tomorrow. That being said, if we do get under 226, under 220, I think there's an opportunity to look for a short all the way down to 200 on MongoDB. That's where I think will be a real good support if we do flush into that area. The resistance R1, which is currently apparently into this $240, as that's where the earnings anchored VWAP is. So watching MongoDB as like a hawk tomorrow, highest priority along with Costco. Ulta Beauty, previously a $500, $900, not never $900, $500, $600 position, flushed into $380 or so. But as we just saw a second ago, looks like the earnings report was good for Ulta Beauty. So joining the Elf Beauty party, Ulta Beauty launching itself back to the north side, reclaiming some of its levels over here. So shout out for Ulta. Well, I don't think we even need to look into the report over here. Quick little glance at how they reported on the EPS, on the revenue. They beat on both sides. The market loving what they saw on the report also, and they carried it higher. So watching how Ulta Beauty reacts. However, tomorrow I am not as interested in Ulta Beauty compared to like Costco or MongoDB. Costco, a way higher price, right? But I'm more interested in Costco than I am in Ulta Beauty. Just gonna throw that disclaimer out there. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna trade it if a trade opportunity or a trade setup shows up, but I am more interested in Costco and MongoDB than Ulta Beauty. Last but not least, for the basket of stocks that report earnings today after hours, we're going to look at SentinelOne, which not too long ago was supposed to get bought out, and then the deal fell apart. So how is their earnings report helping them now? Looks like it's not helping them at all. getting flushed off that report all the way back to the downside. I'm guessing this little flat bottom came back into play into 15 bucks. Did we? Oh, not even close, Praddy. But I think we will be heading down there very soon tomorrow. I think 15 bucks is imminent on this stock with the way that we flushed to the downside in the after hours. Looks like this box high at the moment is acting as a support, but I think we easily flush down to the 52-week low, or even that little support hold low into $15 tomorrow, at which point we can look for a long. I'm not looking long until 15 bucks on this stock, and I'm only going to be looking for shorts on any pops. If we pop back into today's low around $19 or all the way back into $20, then I'll look for some sort of a short opportunity in that area for Sentinel 1. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all she wrote for tonight's earnings stocks. Let's go take a look at some of the stocks that reported earnings throughout this week, like today pre-market, yesterday after hours, and see how they moved. Foot Locker, monster move to the upside on the earnings report. Shout out to Foot Locker. I don't remember what I did. Actually, I think I tried a long and then I missed my short opportunity. Foot Locker gave you a beautiful short opportunity right back into a $26 line, which we had apparently from here. Yeah, look at that $26 area coming in and showing some support. So if for any reason Foot Locker, which earnings report wasn't that hot, I read it on my way to work and it wasn't that hot, so it made sense why the stock flushed down over here. I also had 30 in my notes. I should have taken that short. I didn't. I tried a long instead. Whatever. 30 short was money. I think the stock could have some support tomorrow around 26. So you could put in support at 26 to keep an eye out for. Under 26, I think the stock easily is going down to $22 if 26 is not being held. As for resistance, that 30 area is keeping, we're going to keep on watch to see how it reacts. But before 30, we do have the earnings anchor VWAP, or you could even say today's VWAP, which is at 27.50. So R1 27.50, R2 30 on Foot Locker. Priority lower. Almost called it Data General. Dollar General DG giving us a nice flush, breaking under a support area that the stock was bouncing off of. Also an earnings anchored VWAP, the 52-week low VWAP, if you want to say that also. This was actually a news VWAP when the CEO was changing, if I remember correctly. Yes, that's what that was. So now getting under that on this earnings report, looking to see if the stock can show rejections off that area on any sort of pop. So what is that line coming in at? Right around, where is that 136? Oh, the 136 is yesterday's VWAP. Right around, oh, you can see how the rejection also on the pullback was right around that area, which gave you a monster short. So right around 134.50 is where I'm looking to see if the stock can give us some short opportunities. 134.50 to 135 on Dollar General. As for the supports, I mean, I'm not really interested in the supports. I'm currently interested to short the pops because it looks like that's where the stock's heading to the downside. But if the sellers don't show up at the price that I just said, which is 134.50, then I'm not forcing the short, right? Not forcing the short. CRM looks like it's got a date with the $200 price. So that's where I'm waiting patiently to see how CRM trades if it does flush down there. I did not think CRM would you know, get smoked this hard, but it did. So all we can do at this point is see what it does at the $200 area, which is only like $12 from today's low. I think it could easily go test that tomorrow, so I'm waiting for it patiently down there. C3AI making a nice move upside today. Any pullback into this 27 area, looking to see if we can hold up some support into 27, or even today's VWAP, which is into like what, 27.50. So basically 27 to 27.50 area, looking to see if AI can find some support there. HPQ, Hewlett Packard, I don't know how to fucking say this company's name. Anyways, had a monster move. Breakout also. Why didn't I take a look at this stock today? Damn it. My manager said that he was not interested in this trade at all today, so I did not take a look at it. But boy, oh boy, what a monster move. What a monster move. So missed out on this. I don't think HPQ is giving you another big candle like this tomorrow. It's not doing what Kava did. It's simply not doing what Kava did. I will promise you that. Maybe I should not say that because I might have to eat my words after. But I don't think HPQ is doing something wild like that. So because of that, it's just going to be in the shadow realm for me. I'm going to keep shuffling throughout the stocks throughout the day. And if a setup shows up on HPQ, then I'll be interested in taking advantage of that. I think Best Buy here has a date with $83. So watching how Best Buy reacts on some sort of a breakout past today's high into 83, and if we can reject 83 for us, I think that sets up for a good short opportunity on Best Buy. Birkenstock. Whoa, what happened? Birkenstock broke all-time high, but then had a little bit of a muted move. I mean, it got sold off. It got sold off and had a muted move. It could have some fun tomorrow, but you got to remember the stock doesn't really bring in a lot of volume intraday. Because it brought in 4 million shares today, it is possible that we bring in a little bit more than 1 million shares tomorrow. But the stock's 30-day average is 600,000 shares. So if it did nothing on the earnings day, I wouldn't say nothing, right? It gapped up, whatever. But the intraday move was a nothing burger move. So I wouldn't expect it to go crazy tomorrow either. But it's in the watch list. We'll shuffle through the stock to see how it reacts tomorrow. And then we possibly get a trade out of it. Burlington going into 240 and then getting rejected off of that. I think we got a possible opportunity over here setting up for us tomorrow too. Now, the more fun stocks to talk about, DJT. Donald, I don't know what his middle name is, John? What's his name, dude? It is John. Donald John Trump being convicted. He's guilty one more time. Guilty is charged. I think he's going to be sentenced on the 11th of June. July, sorry. 11th of July, he'll be sentenced. I mean, this might be the first president who will be sitting in an Oval Office with the orange jumpsuit. It might be the first president who sits in the Oval Office with a jumpsuit. However, DJT moving to the downside a little bit with that sad news about the conviction. DJTWW, which recently popped up insanely to the north side, also flushing down a little bit over here in the after hours. Today's volume on DJTWW absolutely atrocious, but you know, both of them flushing down, possibly some trade opportunities tomorrow on those stocks. ANF. A little bit of a pullback in ANF, but if you see how we pull back right into that marker that we put in yesterday after on the show for you guys, right? I said I don't want to see ANF under this low of 174.50. We put it in our notes, and you see how ANF is not under that low at the moment. That is perfect. I did, however, say that I don't want to see the stock under 180 or under the earnings anchor VWAP, and we did get under that, which is sad, but we are at least not under 174.50, 174 area. This could set up some more room above 200 if we keep making some action in this pocket. Keep trading in this pocket, keep trapping some sellers, and let the buyers come in and then wipe them all out on the move past 200. That will be very exciting. So watching ANF for the next few days. Same thing with Chewy, DKS, all these stocks reported recently. Continue to keep watching them as they will give you day 2, day 3 opportunities. Kava day 2 today was monstrous. I took that day 2 long on Kava. Now I'm not going to be expecting a day 3 play on Kava. I'm more so looking for a short on Kava tomorrow, but we'll see how Kava sets up on any sort of a play, how it sets up. Does it give a long? Does it give a short? How are the patterns getting set up throughout the day? The 5-minute chart. What's the 15-minute chart looking like? What's the hourly chart looking like? So I'll keep shuffling throughout the chart to see if any patterns show up on Kava. Not a high priority trade like Costco, Dell, MongoDB, or even CRM or some of the other names over there, but a name that you for sure might need to keep an eye on. Pure Storage, another name that you might need to keep an eye on. Broke to the all-time high. Gap closed, sadly. Gap closed and then found an amazing bottom right into the yesterday's range. So we're watching how PSTG is going to hold up right around yesterday's close, which is $63. We also closed today around $63. So I want to see the long opportunity into 63. I'm actually going to highlight this one into a higher priority color. What is the stock? PSTG, PSTG, PSTG. There we go. Color it orange. PSTG S1 62, but in my notes I'm gonna put in look for long above 63, risking 62. So looking for that long on PSTG for a run to the north side and see if we can push back into $70 over here, reclaim that earnings.
Are they letting you stream from jail? Face with symbols on mouth.
Face with symbols on mouth. How the fuck are they letting you stream from jail? Hey man, when you're Donald Trump, you own the country, you're the president of the country, you can do whatever the hell you want. You can do whatever you want. And Dieter, it's not on, it's on T. Or Clowney. Or Clowney on T who's got no Mountie. Come on. Come on, Dieter. Get it right. Another mention for FSLR. Didn't really trade it today. I'm still waiting for a setup to kind of show up on FSLR. So make sure you're keeping an eye on this one. Last but not least, SMMT. I mean, what in the world happened here? Some news came out with MRK, Merck, and SMMT. And Merck flushed quite drastically to the downside off of that news. I actually might need to put Merck in my watch list. I do have it in my watch list. Merck flushed off of that news, and then SMMT popped off of that news. So they're correlated somehow. Not sure what the news exactly is, but nice opportunities over here on both stocks. Looking to see how we can take advantage on SMMT and MRK tomorrow. So make sure you're watching these trades tomorrow. Bounty? Nah, don't call her Bounty. She's not a bounty. She's not a bounty. She's a downy, if you understand, if you catch my drift. She's a downy. Ooh. SMMT. Bro, you ain't even in this country. Shut up, your country sucks. Country's low-key dog shit. No one likes your country. The people in your own country hate your country. I guess I'm talking about my country, to be honest. The people in my country hate my country right now. Alright. What else am I missing? Well, the Magnificent 7, QQQ, S&P 500. Obviously, all on watch. The market's flushed quite a bit today, but still above the previous all-time high. I'll take that back. SPY actually slightly under the previous all-time high, but QQQ still above slightly the previous all-time high of 450. As TH has mentioned, the market might be losing some steam, and if that's the case, a short below 450 to the downside is imminent, and we're looking for that opportunity on the markets over here. So let's see how QQQ reacts under 450, how SPY reacts on any sort of bump into, what is that line, 424.60, 425. So I'll just say 525, sorry, 525 on S&P 500 on any sort of pump up to the north side. Pump it up, pump it up. Let's see where Bitcoin is. Doing nothing. So let's go take a look at this tweet that Michael Noss retweeted from another person that was talking about his opinion about Nvidia. Nvidia bearish reversal signal. Watch for the break below 1100. Nvidia is showing a potential bearish reversal marked by a Bollinger 2-bar reversal setup. Bearish 2-bar reversal setup. This pattern suggests that a potential reversal from the recent highs, indicating that Nvidia may be set for a downward move. Volume analysis. Elevated trading volume over the last 6 days highlights significant investor activity, which often precedes major price movements. Key level 1100 is a crucial support level. A break below this could trigger further declines. Short float and days to cover. With a short float of 1.17% and only 0.58 days to cover, there's limited short interest, reducing the likelihood of a short squeeze, providing upward pressure. Position in 5 days range. Nvidia is at 74.87% in its 5-day range, indicating that it's trading towards the lower end of its recent range, adding to the bearish sentiment. A Bollinger 2-bar reversal bearish setup. Bar 1. The first bar is a bullish candle. Price closes higher than it opens. Okay. And the high of this candle touches or goes above the Bollinger Band. Okay, gotcha. Bar 2, the second bar, is a bearish candle. Price closes lower than it opens. It opens here and it closes here. Well, no, it opened here and it closes here. Oh, okay. Anyways, we'll close. And then the third bar coming in. So watching for the break below 1100. And if we get below 1100 over here on Nvidia, my friend is expecting a beautiful sell-off opportunity to the downside. So right there into 1098, 1100 basically. Let's put that level on watch. 1100 on Nvidia. If we can get below that, which we kind of did today, right? We kind of got below that today. So if we can get more action below that tomorrow, I think I want to be involved in that short for sure on Nvidia. Why the hell not? Right? Is there bots who liked my tweets? Oh wow, surprisingly enough, no bots liked my tweet. Let's go. All right, let's take a look at the economic calendar. What is the important time periods that we have to keep an eye open for tomorrow? Usually the 3:30 numbers are all meh. I don't really care about those. We only care about these numbers: 10:30, 9:45, 8:30. These are the important time periods. Why, you might ask? 8:30 we have the core PCE price index numbers coming out. We also have Chicago PMI numbers coming out at 9:45 and the Atlanta GDP numbers coming out at 10:30. So these will be the time periods where the market will possibly have some sort of a fluctuation, an event, a trigger off of the numbers, especially if the numbers come out as a big surprise than the forecast. The market will react to it. So make sure that you are attentive or being very careful around these time periods, around 8:30, around 9:45, and around 10:30 for the stock market, wild possible moves that could come into play. Besides that, that is all she wrote for today's stock market stream. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and all that fun stuff, because I would love to grow this channel. So help me out by doing all that fun stuff. Today, I actually have a little change. I have a different idea of a wind down today. I found something. Let me bring it here. I got given free $10, right? They gave me free $10 to use at the casino on FanDuel. So I go, okay, let me go blackjack. Turn that 10 into 20. Now I have free $20. What do I find? I find whatever this game is, Stock Market Live. I go, huh. Okay, let's go find out what this is. Looks like it's something that you bet on, right? You pick either up or down. So let's say you put on up. Oh, it's actually going up. Okay, that's good. Wow, okay, look at that. it ended at 43%. So if you picked up and it ended at 43%, you would make 43% of your return back. And you can see how a lot of people won, a lot of people lost. 75% of the people are actually on the downside now. So you basically pick up or down, and if it goes up, you make the percentage of how much it went up back. And if you pick down and it goes up, you lose that much percentage from your bet. What do you guys want to do? Down? I'll do down here. Let's do down. I have 10 bucks to lose. I have 10 bucks to lose. Oh, come on. Come on, bro. Go down. Go down. Go down. At least we didn't lose much. Whatever. Okay, let's go down again. Let's bet down again. But it's a continuation. You can see where it went before, right? Right over here, you can see where it went before. And now, oh yeah. Oh, this is the history? Oh baby, look at that history chart. I didn't even know you could see this history chart. Okay, okay. I need a MACD for this. I think we go lower. 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 Nah, it goes higher from here. It goes higher. Higher for sure. It goes higher for sure. It goes up from here. Up. 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 Yes. More. Give us 100. Give us 100. I'll take 72. I'll take 72. I think it goes down here. Now we'll go up. We'll go up. Oh no, down. I think I should have taken down. Ani said down. Oh no, it's going down. Oh shit. Oh! Ah! What the fuck? Oh, let's go. Send it. Give me 100%. No, dude. Yeah, come on. Okay, I think there's support here. There's support here, but I think we gotta go test that support. We're technical analysis in this, right? There's support right there. So it's gotta go test that support. Down. Down. Yes. Yeah. No, it's bouncing off the support line, guys. It's bouncing off the support line. It goes up here. Or is it gonna... It double topped. Created a lower... Oh, fuck. It's gonna go lower, huh? It's gonna go lower. Oh, shit. It's gonna go lower. It double topped. Double topped. Double bottomed. We're getting a minor bounce here. Minor bounce. Oh, major bounce. Oh, buyers are coming in. Oh my god, buyers just came in. We're about to break all-time high. Okay, go long. We're about to break all-time high. We're about to break all-time high. We're about to break all-time high. Come on, take out that resistance. We're about to break all-time high here. Come on. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Flat. Flatter forward. Flatter forward. We're about to break all-time high, guys. Watch this. A double bottom. Buyers came in. Inside day. Inside day. Yeah, inside day. Oh, there we go. Oh, all-time high. All-time high. Come on. Give us all-time high. Bang. All-time high. Okay, now is this a fake all-time high trap or is it actually going to break out? A fake all-time high trap or actually going to break out? I'm going to go with the breakout because, you know, I'm a breakout trader. I'm a breakout trader. So let's get a breakout of all-time high here. Don't trap us. Don't give us an inside day. There we go. All-time high break. All-time high break. Oh my goodness. Okay, they're going to rug pull. They're going to rug pull. It's a rug pull. Let's go rug pull. Rug pull right here. Rug pull. Rug pull. Rug pull. Rug pull. Profit taking. This is profit taking. Oh no, buyers came back in. Oh no, they trapped us all. Oh no, buyers trapped us all. The trend is your friend, guys. The trend is your friend. No, no shot. No shot, you're rug pulling me now. No shot, you're rug pulling me now. Squeeze! Short squeeze! This is short squeezing. This is short squeezing. This is short squeezing. This is short squeezing. Right now, watch this. It's short squeezing right now. Oh my god. Double bottom bounce, come on. No! Manipulation. Markets manipulated. They just took away the buy button from the market. Markets manipulated. This is fucking rigged. Fucking rigged. Manipulated. Oh, squeeze? Moass? This market's crashing. It's flash crash. It's flash crash time. It's flash crash. It's flash crash time. Flash crash. Flash crash. Rug pull. Rug pull. GME rug pull. GME rug pull. Free fall Friday. Free fall Friday. Free fall Friday. Okay, it's going up from here though. It's going up from here. Free fall Friday, but we're going up from here though. Oh my god, it's actually free fall Friday. Oh! Oh, short squeeze! Oh, short squeeze! Squeeze! Yes! Squeeze them shorts, baby! Oh, I don't know what to do here. I think we go right back down. I think we go right back down. This is a trap. This is a trap. I've seen this trap many times on the stock market. I've seen this trap many times. No, go back down. Go back down. Go back down. Oh, they squoze us, dude. Oh, they broke out. They squoze us and they broke out. Nah, this is going for another all-time high run. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, the pattern, guys. 3 and a red. 3 and a red. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a red. Fuck you, dude. Crash. Go down. Damn, the volume was decreasing, but then the volume came back up. Nah, this is a trap. This is a trap. This is a trap. We're back to all-time highs. Incredible. Incredible. Come on, crash. More. 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 I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, let's... You guys want to go a little crazy here? I think we're crashing. I think we're crashing. Oh no. Oh no. We just lost 40 cents there. Alright, one more time. Oh. We double down here. Max BP short? Nah, no max BP. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bang. Bang. Stress. Oh my god, Streamlabs chill. Don't tell Streamlabs to chill, okay? Streamlabs will whoop your butt. What the? You guys just see this chart? What was that? Down, down, right chat? Down, 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 down. Get down. Get under. Oh yeah, get down under. Get down under. Oh my god, what a joke. Did that just double bottom? That just double bottomed. Oh yeah, I'm a genius. Oh yeah, I'm a genius. call me CMT Prad. Call me CMT Prad. Double bottom into all-time high. Let's try the breakout. Let's test the breakout and see if the volume comes in. Oh, okay. Volume's coming in for the breakout here. Oh, rug pull. And this is why you size down. This is why you size down. And now, you size up because you saw the selling came in on the rug pull. Now you size up on the short because that's called a failure to break. A failure to break and follow through. Come on, don't give them follow through back up. Get back down there, you piece of shit. Let's see what happens. Let's set this one out. I'm gonna set this one out. Smart. Because 86% of people got rinsed. I also feel like, you know, it kind of takes in where most people are and then it goes against them. I actually think it goes down here though. Casino music on? Yeah, that's true. Hey, no, what the fuck is this? What the? What the hell is that? Come on, get me down here. Give me a down move. 73% people are betting down. Come on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Did we do another one? Down or up? 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 I go down. You guys didn't reply quick enough. I'm the worst trader alive. 94%. %96% pick down here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh wow. Bro, it's gotta go down, right? Does it go more than 100%? I wonder if it does. Probably not. Let's see. Let's see if when this okay, that's amazing. Probably does not go more than 100%. Let's go with up. Watch it go down here. Of course. 96% down. Come on, go up. Go up. Screw them all over. No, you piece of shit. 92%? 92% down? What? No. It doesn't really... It's been more greens than red. Because stonks only go up. More greens than red. Retail trapped? Yeah, it for sure trapped the fucking retail. Look at the green streaks compared to the red streaks. It's ripping up here. It's ripping up here. Come on, trap them all. Trap them all. Trap them all. Come on. Come on, Lee. No, not me. Trap them. Ah. All right. Come on. Trap them. Pay us. Trap them, pay us. Trap them, pay us. This sucks, chat. Time to just go play chess. Oh! Okay. Maybe we got one here. It's alternating so far right now. That's not really cool. Come on, let's not alternate. Yeah. Let's get on a hot streak. Come on. Get up there. Okay, this is good. This is good. That little curve over there at the end, I didn't like that curve at the end there, but it's good. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Yeah, baby. More. 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 Oh. Come on, man. We want more than that. What are we thinking here, chat? Up or down? Up or down? Up or down? I think we go down here. Oh, great call. Yeah, great call. This has got to be down, right? This has got to be down here. And this is my last bet after this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe one more. One more. We'll do one more. I think it goes more down from here. Oh, shit. Please, please, please. Come on. No, don't make me lose on the last one. I don't want to go out this way. Get in there. Get in there. Yes! Okay. Nah. Let's just take our wins, go home. We're up on the night. We're up on the night. We take our wins and we go home. We come back another day. We're up on the night. We take our wins. We go home and we come back another day, chat. It's as simple as that. But let's go get our win in another aspect. And for that, we're going to have to move our face over before Dieter starts yelling at us. So let's go take a look at our puzzles for today on chess. But before we do that, I need Vendetta. Where is Vendetta? My favorite song. Okay, black to move. Let me mute that. Uh-huh. What do I do here, mate? I die. I die. I die. I need a hint. I move my queen? To what? Why am I doing that? Oh, to take his queen? Come on, you think I'm ever gonna get to that point where I'm thinking that far ahead? Where I'm sacrificing my queen to check his king and to take his queen? Come on, bro. Alright, white to move. White to move. What am I missing? Gotcha. Black to move. What am I missing here? Gotcha. There we go. That's what I was missing. White to move. Uh-huh. Gotcha. Alright, black to move. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, maybe not. Puta madre. I thought so. I thought that was the answer, but I just played that a little dumb. A little dumb. A little dumb. Finish work. See you later if you still play. Shut up, Dieter. Hopefully not, but yeah, Dieter, take care, my friend. Take care. Half-blood Holmes. Pakistani. I don't like to start with black as my first game of the night, but let's get this dub over with. Saw that one coming from a mile away, Chief. That was a pretty bad move, huh? Oh, he just kind of trapped himself with this one. Well, if I move this here, he takes, then I take, then he takes, then I take. Well, he just kind of trapped himself here. Move this pawn up too, this one up here. Why don't I just take this right now? Isn't that free? Isn't that free? That's pretty free for me. I mean, +3, take the bishop? Yeah, take the bishop. Ah, he was waiting for that, wasn't he? This rat son of a fuck. Whatever, you can have my fucking thing, I don't care. Well, if he doesn't take it, I'm moving it and he's losing his chance. Oh my god, why did I not see that come in? Why didn't he do that earlier? Why didn't he do that earlier? Oh my god. What do you got against black? I just not good with playing with black, that's all. Yeah, this one's cooked. This one's cooked. I didn't see that. I just freaking told you. I wasn't looking at chat. Oh no, we're back to black. Okay, let's win this. Let's win this. Okay, I'll look at chat more often, okay? Okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah, screw it. Let's play that. Let me just send my email out to my Patreon subscribers with my watch list. All right. What are you trying to do, buddy? What's your goal here? You surely don't want to double this up. Not sure what his goal here is, but he's taking quite some time thinking about this. I swear this guy's gonna lose to time, and that's how I'm gonna get my first win, isn't it? Lame. Lame. Is this guy gonna get a second queen right now? What the fuck? Ooh, almost lost my fucking queen there, huh? I want to, but he put my thing in danger. Like if he takes my pawn here, then I'm gonna have to move my thing here and wait for him to do something like that to take his pawn. So I'm not sure if he's gonna take my pawn or not. If he does, then obviously I'm gonna have to work around it. But if he doesn't take my pawn, then my plan is to take his pawn, right? He's gonna lose on time, this guy. Oh, this guy has like one bar, bro. No wonder. Poor connection, high lag. Poor guy. Well, we're gonna get our first win of the night and call it for the night on this game, sadly. But you can't blame me for it. You can't blame me for it. I'm hungry, man. I'm starving. Come on, bud. Well, this is boring. This is boring. Oh, you can change the way the things look? Oh shit, I like that. I don't like that. You guys like this? I don't like this. I kind of like this one. This is nice. I like this. What I miss? Absolutely nothing. This guy's AFK. No, the two are way too similar. Fine. This sucks. Blindfold. Alright, we'll just go back to Neo. Ah, this is lame. This is how we're gonna get our first win of the night. Boring. You can't blame me for getting my first win of the night this way, chat. But it is what it is. But I might as well start saying my goodbyes to you guys, because this is where we're gonna end it. Because I'm hungry and I want to play a couple video games before I go to bed. So I don't want to play another game of chess, because if I lose, then I will want to play until I win, and we know that's gonna take all night. So we're gonna say done here, and I'll see you guys on Sunday, where we can do a lot more of that stock market game that we were doing just now, and also more at chess and more of all stock related topics. Get ourselves ready for the new month and all that fun stuff. So I will see you guys Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys know, 6 p.m. I'll be here. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, all that fun stuff. Let your friends know that TraderPrad is here on YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter daily, Monday to Thursday, 8 p.m. and back again on Sundays at 6 p.m. So I'll see you guys then. It's not GG yet. I'm gonna hang out till it is, but there's about a minute to go GG. There's about a minute to go GG, but it will be GG, but not GG. GG, but not GG. Paka paka. It's not baka baka. It's PACA. Paka paka. Paka paka chat. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great long weekend. Have a great night. Have an even better market session tomorrow. Stay green. Stay frosty. And it's 30 seconds from victory. So I'm going to play the outro for you guys. Call it a night. See you guys next time. TraderPrad out. Paka paka. The watch list for tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna bring in my big screen over here. Back to another brand new week of After the After Hours with your host TraderPrad. I'm doing great. Hopefully you guys are joining me on that great side. Markets are moving around. Trade ideas, the #1 scanner to go to. Traders think. Promo code down below. Promo code PRAD15 to get 15% off. I will catch you guys tomorrow, 8 o'clock, same time, same place. Until then, TraderPrad out. Adios.